Titomic's cold spray technology is delivering new capabilities to meet a broad range of marine maintenance needs, from offshore oil rigs to remote wind farms, and now, for naval vessels, the D523 is the versatile system offering improved ways to repair, maintain and resurface marine assets. Titomic was invited to HMAS Stirling to provide a demonstration of the compact, handheld D523. Here, we showcase this system among Navy personnel, engineers and industry partners. The D523 fuses different metals together without melting, enabling multiple materials to be fused together. For example, the system can fuse aluminium to steel for corrosion resistance and repair, nickel onto cast iron for engine refurbishment, and much more, all without the need of preheating. Additionally, as the system doesn't melt metals, there is no risk of heat-related damage. The D523 isn't just making waves in marine applications, it's also soaring in the aerospace sector. Industry giants like Boeing and Airbus, as well as the French Navy, have integrated our cold spray technology into their additive manufacturing, repair and maintenance operations. Inspired by such industry leaders, we invite you to explore how Titomic can elevate your operations, save you downtime and ultimately improve your bottom line. So get in touch with us today to see where cold spray can add value to your business.